Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to upload HD videos on YouTube. Now, to ensure your YouTube videos are uploaded in HD, you need to follow this step. Step 1. Record in HD. So use a camera or device capable of recording in HD, that is 720p or higher, or 4K for the best quality. Next step is to choose the right file format. You see, MP4 is the recommended format for YouTube as it is widely supported and offers good compression. The next step you need to take is to optimize your video settings. So you need to set the frame rate. Match the frame rate of your recording, e.g. 30 fps, 60 fps. Then you need to set the bit rate. A higher bitrate generally means better quality, but it also increases file size. YouTube has recommended bitrate ranges for different resolutions. Next, you need to set the codec. You can use H.264 or HEVC, that is H.265, and they are the commonly used and supported codecs by YouTube. Next, remember I mentioned there are steps you need to follow. The first step is to record in HD. The second step is to choose the right file format, and the third step is to optimize your video settings. Now the fourth step is to upload with the correct settings. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Create, click on Upload Video. Then select your HD video file. In the editing section, you might have options to adjust quality settings. Choose the highest quality available. If you're using your phone, you can use the YouTube mobile app, tap on the plus icon, select Upload Video, choose your HD video. In the editing section or settings, look for options to adjust resolution or quality. It's as simple as that. Now, always note that a stable high-speed internet connection is crucial for smooth uploads, especially for large HD files. Next, be patient because HD videos take longer to process than standard definition ones. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device or computer to accommodate the original HD video file. By following these steps, you can upload high-quality HD videos to YouTube that look great on any device. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.